What's up, Quick Gamers? What's going on? How y'all doing? We are here for Foodie Friday, and y'all ready to see this plate. Look at this plate. Look at it. Look at it, y'all. So, in honor of my boy Kingg Eat Eat, who I watch, who I faithfully watch, and a fan of, these is like one of his plates. This is inspired by him. So before I get into this grace, we're going to talk about what we eating. We're going to do our thumbnail. And let's get into it. We got spaghetti, which is turkey, spicy spaghetti with spicy turkey sausage. Cabbage. Baked chicken. And some broccoli. Yes, indeed. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this prayer, and let's go for it. Amen. Yes, Lord. Thank you for this food. Not only that, what we got going on too is that you can follow me on TikTok. Now, before you follow me on TikTok at Queen Game TV, hit like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok on Queen Game TV. And also, and I'm so hungry and I'm rushing, y'all. We're going to get into this here in a little bit. And not only that, you can follow me on Instagram at Queen Game Official. So let's dig in. Got my hot sauce on the side. I like it vinegary. Louisiana Trappist Bull. I'm not sponsored, but this is what I like. And I got my handy dandy mug with me, boo. Let's go, because this food's getting cold. Like I said, it's in honor of Kingg Eat Eat. He do the mix, baby. And that's what I'm talking about. Kingg Eat Eat. I ain't gonna tell you how you got this mix, but this the mix. And y'all check out his channel too. He's from Memphis. Check him out. Home meals. Good home cooking. Uh-oh, y'all done jumped in. Bye-bye. And this here we're gonna get into in a minute. I got a few bites in y'all. Cabbage and broccoli. I'm just falling off the tray. Spicy turkey spaghetti. I got mushrooms in it. I was out of green peppers. Onions, garlic. Spaghetti so bomb. Spaghetti is one of my favorite foods. Sorry, I don't want this falling off the plate. It's running over. Hot sauce. Put on some of this chicken, some of this cabbage. Oop. And then we're gonna get into this natural hair I got. Oh no. I ain't even getting to this thumbnail. Let me get it. Boom. Okay, y'all. It is what it is at this point. So my hair is natural. And I washed it last night. You know what I'm saying? Conditioned it. Added me some scalp oil to it. Basically some argan oil and just, you know what I'm saying, did it throughout my scalp or whatever. Did some hair jelly. Because my hair is like real tough to lay down and maintain. So I had to get some hair jelly. And there she go. And y'all notice I wear wigs. I be tired of wearing wigs. Put some granny braids up in it. And this is how we rockin' full face, baby. God, this spaghetti's so lit, baby. I keep digging into the spaghetti. And what's so funny about this spaghetti? The sauce is tomato-less. Cabbage. Broccoli. And chicken. This is Kingg Eat Eat inspired. Oopsies. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. When I enjoy food, this is how I eat. This is how I roll. And there's hot sauce up in here. Ooh, this is a good mixture, boy. Kingg Eat Eat on to something, baby. And for those you'll know, and I'm so sorry, welcome. I'm gonna build them up, man. Welcome to my newbies. Welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to my subscribers and y'all already know, from Atlanta, Georgia. See, that's what you get when you sit down and you're real hungry. You forget the whole thing. Now I'm tearing this down. Y'all, let me get something to drink. I ain't nothing really talk about that. When the food good, ain't nothing to talk about. Lid Factory. This is ice cold apple juice. Y'all, I'm not a hot extremist, so I don't really do too much hotness. And you go, ooh. Honey barely pouring on the hot side. I just like a zip. So yeah, shout out to my natural hair, trying to grow it. Ooh. Ooh. I'm getting greedy. I hope y'all ain't see that. That was gross. I clean my bones, y'all. I'm a bone cleaner.
Mexico, be careful. Look.
Yeah, I ain't nothing to talk about what they eat. Sometimes it be like that. Just shut up and eat. Let me get another sip so I can take it home for the team. This was bomb. This was bomb. Factory boy, whew. Oh, I burped, excuse me. Uh-oh. See that? And y'all know I don't usually eat up all the food, but today I plowed. So you know what, Quick Gamers? I done plowed this food. It was enjoyable. Once again, follow me. Check out my merch at queengang.bigcartel.com. It's out, it's over, it's in, it's done. It was a Kingg Eat Eat inspired mukbang today. Bruh, you on to something. This was bomb. It's over, y'all. Deuces.